Hi everyone, I am Mark. In today's lesson, we will exploring one of the fundamental ideas in set theory, the union of set. This concept might sound simple at first, but it plays a huge role in mathematics, logic, data science, and even everyday problem solvings. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a union is, how to write it using proper notations, and how to visualize it using Venn diagrams. You will also walk through several examples from basic exercises to real-world application, so you can confidently apply the idea of union in different situations. Whether you are brushing up for a mathematics class, preparing for an exam, or just strengthening your fundamental skills, this video will give you everything you need. So, let's jump right and uncover how union helps us combining information in a simple but powerful way. Now, what is a set? So, before we talk about unions, we need to understand what sets are. So, a set is simply a collection of objects. These objects are called elements. For example, set A is equals 1, 2, and 3, and set B is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set can represent numbers, shapes, letters, or even real-world things like favorite foods or sports. Now let's proceed. What is the union of sets? The union of two sets like set A and B is a new set that contains all elements that are in A and B or in both. So we write the union symbol like this. This symbol means A union B. To take the union, you simply include every unique element from both sets. For example, set A is equals 1, 2, 3 and set B is 3, 4, 5. So what is the union? So the union of A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take note that we don't repeat elements even though 3 is both sets. We only include it once. Now, let's proceed to the Venn diagrams. Overlapping circles A and B. A great way to understand using union is with Venn diagrams. So, in this Venn diagram, circle A represents set A, circle B represents set B. The overlapping part shows elements the set have a common. The union is everything inside both circles. Every number or item covered by A or B or their overlap. The shaded region appears over both circles. So, when you shade the entire area of both circles, that's the union. Now let's proceed to more example. Example 1. letters. So set A is equals A, B, and C, and set B is C, D, and E. So what is the union of A and B? So the union of A and B is equals A, B, C, D, and E. Now let's proceed to the example 2. Real life scenario. Let's say set A represents students who play basketball, and set B represents students who play soccer. The union of A and B represents all students who play basketball, soccer, or both. Now, let's proceed to the union of 3 sets. Take note that you can also take the union of more than 2 sets. I will give an example on these 3 sets, and I will give you time to answer this question. Example: set A is 1 and 2. Set B is 2 and 3. Set C is 3 and 4. So, what is the union of A, B, and C? I will give you time to answer this. So, the union of A, B, and C is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same idea, just gather every element from all sets. Now let's practice more problems. Problem 1. Let's try some quick practice. Set A is equals 2, 4, and 6, and set B is 1, 2, and 3. So what is the union of A and B? Correct. The answer of union A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Very good. Let's proceed to the next problem. The color problem. So, set A is red and blue. Set B is blue and green. Set C is yellow. So what is the union of A, B, and C? Correct. The answer is red, blue, green, and yellow. That's the union of A, B, and C. Now, let's wrap up. To sum up it all, a union combines elements from multiple sets. We write it as A union B. That's the symbol. And the union contains every element from each set, no repeats. Take note that no repeats. And Venn diagrams are a great tool to visualize union.